Sadly, this lion, if left untreated, would literally die. And it's the first of 1,000 animals we're gonna be saving in this video. Here's how. We'll be using a sniper to vaccinate giraffes from a helicopter. We ain't leaving until all the giraffes are vaccinated! Rescuing lions from a zoo that was literally bombed. Be free! Relocating massive rhinos before they fight each other to death. Gonna add a lot of years to this rhino's life. And so many more unbelievable rescues. Starting with performing life-saving surgery on this lion. This is Dr. Alex. What are we about to do?
This lion has a tooth infection that could literally kill it. So we're going to perform a root canal to save this lion's life.
We're giving it life-saving surgery to remove the infection in its teeth.
Can you just hold that lip like that for us?
Oh my gosh, he is literally pulling gunk out of its teeth. And this gunk, if untreated, would somehow end up in the lion's heart valves?
That's right.
What would happen if she woke up?
She'd bite my finger off.
Oh. And my finger.
That looks really good. Procedure's done.
Let's release her. Now the lion is happy and healthy, but we still have 999 animals left to save. Our next mission is to save some rhinos.